Hey y'all, it's day 2 of the Pantry organization. So I did get a few things in the mail. I ordered off of Amazon, and I'm going to share that with you guys in just a second here. Alright, so the items that I got, the cereal box things, containers, come from this company called Chef's Path. I did, of course, purchase this with my own money, so this is not sponsored or anything. Then the other one is called Storage Works. Okay, and so that's the two things that I bought. I do have some organization things in there already, so you'll see that in a second. But this is what the cereal containers look like. So I'm excited to use these. And they even come with these little like sticker things, so I can put the stickers on it, and then it comes with a marker and I can just mark, but I guess with cereals in there or whatever. Alright, and then they also came with these scoops. I'm not going to use the scoops for the cereal because I don't need it. It has a spout. It has a spout at the top, but I'm going to use this for one of my other storage containers I already have. So for the Storage Works, this is what I got. This is a pretty decent sized bin. And it comes with these little frames in here, like in here. And you can pull them out to collapse it if you don't need it, I guess. And then when you're ready to use it, you just push the frames back and then it holds it up. And it holds it pretty straight. And everything is like, it feels like a legit box. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is come in here and work section by section. So let's go in there. Alright, so for my pantry, in the last video I showed you guys, this top shelf is going to be the adult shelf. And down here, this is going to be like cooking, the cooking shelf, I guess. All of this will be basically cooking. This is going to be the canned foods and sides and condiments shelf, lunch supplies. Down here is the, what did we say this was? Oh, like the breakfast. It got messed up since the last video because it's been a few days. Breakfast and, I don't know, I guess like, I don't know what we'll call this, but just say breakfast. And then down here, we have the kids shelf. So yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna start off with the containers that I already have, so like these, and then that one, that one, that one, that one, and then just take them out and see what they have in them, and then I can put them back. So let's get started.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Firefly, how short is life? I dreamt we had more than 20. I have seen this before, and I have lived more than plenty. Now lay me in the ocean. Why lullabies? I've used my time. Now lend me to the ocean. Sing my songs when I'm gone. I know sorrow, I know pain. Let them have me if I'm ready. my time. Now lend me to